So F8 is dealing with audit and assurance. Some knowledge from F4 is relevant, but again, not overly relevant. And a little bit of the F3 knowledge feeds into F8, but not too much. It does feed into P1 and P7. So knowledge of F8 is quite important, especially at the P7, which is the Advanced Audit and Assurance optional paper. The exam is mainly written, might require one or two calculations, maybe ratios. Question 1 is going to be a 30-mark case study. Question 2, 10-mark knowledge, and then 3, 4, and 5, 20 marks each. There is some regurgitation of knowledge, some parrot fashion learning required, but most of the paper calls for application. And again, what we tend to find with many students, and again, not just at this paper, but a lot of students learn the knowledge and then they see a question, it's on audit, I'll write everything I know about audit without being specific to the question that's set. So read the requirements of the question, make sure that you answer the question that has been set. And following on from that, do not waffle. Don't pad out your answer again with irrelevant information that's not been examined. Be direct, be specific to what the question is asking you to do. Similar comments that I made to the accountancy, if you're an auditor, don't think, F8 is an audit paper, I don't need to learn anything. I can go into that exam with my work knowledge. Yeah, it may work for you, but generally speaking, again, audit and the workplace is different from audit and the exam place. So don't just think, I'm an auditor, I can pass this exam. It's not going to be that straightforward. And use your common sense. A lot of students tend to go into the exam and leave their common sense outside the exam room. They think it's all knowledge that they've got to learn. They can't apply a bit of common sense to a scenario. So apply that common sense.